Let's bake dinner rolls for supper. Pour 2 cups of warm water in a baking bowl, not too hot and not too cold. Add 1 tablespoon of active dry yeast and 1 tablespoon of honey or sugar. Give a little stir and wait about 5 minutes until you see the yeast starting to get bubbly. While you're waiting, grease a 9x13 pan. The yeast should look bubbly by now. Add about 5 cups of flour and 1 teaspoon of salt. Stir with a wooden spoon or a dough hook. The dough should come off the sides of the bowl. If it doesn't, add a little bit of flour. You can see this is too sticky, so we are going to add some more flour. It's still not coming quite off the bottom of the bowl. I am adding some spices just for fun. A teaspoon of onion powder, a teaspoon of garlic powder, and salt. An easy spice to add is everything bagel spice. Break off chunks of dough to make 12 large buns or 20 small buns. Let the buns rise for 20 minutes in a warm place. Preheat the oven to 375 and bake for 20 minutes. If you want a softer crust, when they come out the oven, brush some butter on top of them. Now that was easy. Why don't you try to make some of your own buns?